Hi, my darling friends. I hope you're doing well. I am so thankful. I'm filming this the day after we launched Ravie Beauty, my dream beauty brand. Yesterday was so surreal. I cried all day long. Like, I've been crying this whole week, like after the reveal, after like all the outpouring of love before we even launched. And then yesterday launching, like I was so completely overwhelmed, just floored by the amount of support we received right at launch. I mean, launch day was so amazing. Like, it exceeded all of our expectations. I'm so extremely thankful. Thank you all so much to everyone who was just kind to me about it. Anyone who placed an order, you have no idea. I'm so excited for you to try these lipsticks. Thank you for all your compliments on the website. You should have seen my husband Tylen. If you didn't see my video last time, I told you guys that Tylen did the entire website and he was beaming. You guys really showed up and you really made him feel so good about the website. And honestly, I'm happy that you've enjoyed it. It's so fun to finally share it with you guys. And one thing that I was so excited about, and it sounds like you guys are enjoying this as well. If you go onto ravie.com, obviously we have like the homepage, but if you click on any of the products and scroll down a little bit, here's me 3 times telling you about why I created each shade. But then if you scroll even further, you can see all 3 shades swatched on different models. And I'm so glad that you guys are enjoying this type of like educational content on the website. It was really important to me and I haven't actually seen anybody really do this. So to get feedback on that was really, really fun, just so that you guys can see like different skin tones. And there's something about when people are applying it in real time versus just like a photo that feels like more realistic. So anyway, I'm happy that you guys enjoyed that. If you haven't checked out the site yet, it's live, so you can go take a gander. And anyway, I'm just so thankful. I've said that so many times, but I love you all so much. Also, I really wanted to touch on, because we have such an outpouring of love yesterday, it is going to take a little bit longer than expected to fulfill all the orders. So it may take a few more days, but we are going to get these orders out as fast as possible. You guys just really surprised us. And so it may just take a few more days to get things out, but we'll ship them out as fast as we can. And I can't wait for you guys to receive your orders. Also, for my international friends, I don't know why I didn't say this in my reveal video. I honestly should have touched on this, but for international shipping, we are only shipping in the US right now. Obviously, shipping to other countries is very high on our priority list. Cosmetics is a completely different ballgame when it comes to regulations, so we're gonna make sure we do this right, but I will be sure to let you guys know as soon as we're shipping to any other country. Every country has like different rules and regulations, and also we wanna make sure it's done in a way to where any of you guys ordering, the shipping cost and the duties, things like that, are reasonable. You know, we want to make sure that we're doing it right. Plus cosmetics, it's just a whole different ball game. So we have to like go through a very specific process. It takes more time. So since we're a brand new brand, we will get on that, but I'll be sure to update you guys as soon as we have something available. As soon as any countries open up, we will be sure to let you know. So make sure you're signed up for the email list and also following us on Instagram, because that's where we will update you on things like that. I love you all. This was like a long intro, but I just really wanted to say thank you. I can't believe it's live. Like, I just feel so different. I feel like I have such a new purpose having this brand live. Like, I'm so looking forward to all the possibilities. There's just so much in store, and this is just the beginning, and I can't wait to see you guys wearing Effortless Lips. Today I wanted to sit down and do a fall look. I painted my nails this gorgeous like deep oxblood color, and I'm wearing like fall colors. In my last video, I mentioned how if you pair Effortless Lips with a deeper lip liner, it really like transforms the look. I'm gonna show you my lip combo that I've been doing using Tulip, which seems like a spring summer shade really by itself, but I'll show you how it transforms so beautifully for fall. You know that cherry cola trend that's going around? It like gives you that effect. So that's the vibe. We're gonna do a lip look using it, and then I'm just gonna create like a really pretty lip focused fall look. The weather has been absolutely fantastic lately. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I haven't used this in a while, but I feel like I've been into like really healthy looking skin, not just for fall, but especially when you have like more of a lip focused look. I love having fresh looking skin to go with it. I'm gonna be using the Haus Labs foundation today. It's been a while since I've used this as well, and I just love it. I'm just gonna apply that all over. I'm just blending that out with my sponge. You guys know I've been obsessed with the Uoma Beauty bronzer. But I wanted to revisit this contour stick. I just feel like for fall, I love having a little bit more of like a grungy, almost 90s vibe to my makeup. So I'm gonna take the Uoma Beauty, what is this called? Contour stick. This is the shade White Pearl. and it just has like the perfect undertone for really sculpting the face. So I'm gonna go in with this. I've been going in with bronzer or like a cream contour before concealer quite a bit. I find that it allows me to use a little less concealer actually. And then I can also like shape out the contour color with the concealer, which is really nice. So I'm just gonna buff this out all over. You know what's crazy? I'm starting to get like holiday sets in PR. I can't believe that like everyone's releasing their holiday things, but I guess it's like almost halfway through October, so it makes sense. This year has just gone by so fast. Do you guys feel that way? Honestly, I feel like the older I get, like the faster time goes. I don't know. I'm not quite ready for the holidays, but I will say I am thoroughly enjoying fall. One of the perks of living in Utah is there are very distinct seasons. So fall is like so stunning here. If you drive through the canyons and you just see the trees are like the most vibrant colors, it is so beautiful. And then like apples are in season, so I've been making apple pie, caramel apples. I haven't made them, but I buy caramel apples. I've actually never made those. I feel like I should add that to my baking bucket list. I have a list on my phone of like things I would like to learn how to make. I'm obsessed with caramel apples, so I feel like I need to learn how to make my own. But it's just perfect. Like today I woke up and it's like gloomy and rainy. It's just like so cozy. It's funny because I feel like my aesthetic, if my aesthetic were a season, I feel like it would be like spring, but my favorite season is fall. Riddle me that, I don't know. I'm taking my foundation brush and just kind of like stamping around the edges of that contour stick. Look how pretty that is. It's been a while since I've used that. It's like the perfect undertone. I'm obsessed with that. Okay, I've been using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer all over again, you guys. This was a product that I started using again. I mean, I've used this on and off for years, but I started using it again after I did the Allure Reader's Choice Awards video, because this was in it. This was like one of the winners. And now I'm addicted all over again. It's just so good. I used to use the shade Vanilla quite a bit, but this is Affogato. I feel like this works really well on me too. Honestly, I can get away with both. The Vanilla has a bit more of a pink undertone. This one's more neutral. And then I'm gonna blend that out with a brush. Oh, also something really fun that I wanted to share, because I feel like a lot of you guys may have maybe a YouTube channel or a blog or something. Since this is what I do for a living, like reviewing makeup, all that stuff, I understand the world of affiliate links. So when we were gearing up to launch Ravie, I really wanted to see if it would be possible to get on some of those affiliate linking platforms like LTK or Like to Know It and then ShopMy. And you guys, I mean, it took a little bit of time. Like we had to go a little out of our way to do this at launch. But I'm so proud to say that you can link Ravie Beauty on LTK and ShopMy. So if you use either of those platforms, just know that Ravie Beauty is available. So if you link anything, you'll get a commission or a kickback. I'm just really proud of that because I feel like a lot of new brands don't start out with that as a priority, but like it was a priority for me. So just so you know, if you use those platforms, you can link Ravie Beauty. I'm gonna go in with a powder puff into my Huda Beauty Cupcake powder. I just dip it into the jar and then I kind of like press the powder into the puff using my hand. And then I take that and just kind of gently press and almost roll it into the skin. This is what's gonna give you like a really airbrushed look. And even though I said I love to have more of like a healthy looking complexion for fall, I also love it to have a little bit of a matte T-zone. I mean, that's typical for me all year round, but I do love a more airbrushed looking complexion in fall. I don't know why, I just feel like you can kind of get away with a little more makeup in fall, which is the best, you know? I also feel like my makeup wears so well when it's not so hot outside, which is so nice. Like when I take the time to do a more glam look, it really stays put. All right, now I'm gonna take a powder brush and just lightly tap the rest of the face. There's a little bit of powder. Even though I used a cream for contour, I do wanna add a little more of the Uoma bronzer on top, just to like add a bit of warmth. All right, let's fill in brows. I'm just using my Benefit pencil, as always. Guys, I have so many plans. I have so many plans for Ravie Beauty. This is just the very, very, very beginning, but do you want to know what one of my biggest dreams is for this brand? And I'm not sure how exactly this will play out, but basically, I would love to like travel all over and do like mini pop-ups where like I'm there, I get to meet you guys, you get to play with the products in person, all of that, and just like have delicious little snacks, little gifts, That's like my dream. I can't wait. I mean, I feel like it will happen eventually. There's still a lot that needs to happen before we can do things like that, but that's like my ultimate goal. I feel such a connection to you guys, and it would just mean the world to me to be able to see you in person. I don't know. I've always wanted to do some sort of an event or events, like multiple, all over the US, maybe eventually in like Canada or Europe, I don't know, to where you guys can like come and just experience Ravie in person. I don't know. I feel like it would be amazing, but it'll probably take a little while to do that, but it's genuinely like one of my main goals. All right, brows are done. For fall, I love like a cool tone matte look. So I grabbed my Natasha Denona Glam palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here called Crease. It's like basically a contour color for your eyes. Oh, I should have probably tapped out the concealer before going in with that. Whoops. I'm just gonna keep patting this onto the lid for like a really soft, grungy vibe. I don't want to do too much on the eyes because this is going to be a lip focused look, but I want enough to kind of match the vibe I'm going for, just like that. And then I'm just going to do a little mascara. Normally, you guys know I love a little sparkle on the eyes too, but again, I don't want the eye look to compete with the lips today. So we're just going to do one shade of a matte brown eyeshadow and then some mascara. You just can't go wrong with that. I got some mascara on my lower lash line, but we'll just let that dry and then I'll wipe it off in a bit. I'm gonna take this Too Faced blush. This is just such a pretty like fall neutral. This is the Too Faced Cloud Crush in the shade Velvet Crush. I feel like it's not too pink, but it's pink enough to like look like blush. It's really pretty. I'm just gonna add that to the cheeks. And then I'm gonna kind of blend around the edges with my powder brush. All right, here's where the excitement happens. I'm just gonna sharpen my pencil really quick. Okay, so with Tulip, this like reddish pinky shade of Effortless Lips, when you pair it with a dark brown lip liner, and this is the one I've been using because this kind of pulls more berry brown, which I think is so beautiful for fall. This is from Jones Road. It's the shade Cognac, and like this is my favorite that I've tried for this type of a style of look. Any brown would work though. You could go for a true brown. I'm just wiping off any foundation that got on the lips. We're gonna do a little lip liner. And I always start around the edges of the lips to just kind of get the shape that I want. And then I fill in the corners of the lips on the top and bottom, something like that. It doesn't have to be perfect because when you apply Effortless Lips, it will just melt into everything. So here is Ravie Beauty Effortless Lips in Tulip, which we just barely launched. Here, I'll swatch it on the back of my hand so you can see. This is like a really fun pop of color. Again, definitely more of like a spring summer shade, technically speaking. You can wear these all year round though, but I love pairing it with a deep lip liner because when I apply it and it blends into the brown, I just think it looks so pretty. I'm continuing to like mesh my lips together so that the lip liner and the lipstick really blend together. Like how pretty is that? It completely transforms it. And you can use whatever lip liner you want to do this. I also love, I've said this in the last video, but I love to pair deeper lip liners with Dahlia and Lily as well. But this one's just really extra special if you're looking for more of like a lip focused look. All right, let's assess the situation. I'm just adding a little more blush, a bit higher on the cheeks. Now that I have the lip color on, I want a little more. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit more bronzer. And then I'm actually gonna do a little setting spray first, because then I'm gonna go in with like a cream highlighter that I'm excited to try. I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Just all over, and then once that's starting to dry down, I'm gonna go in with my sponge and just press that into the skin. I recently bought something so exciting. So one of my favorite celebrity makeup artists, Katie Jane Hughes, she actually just launched a brand called KJH brand. I bought the Hyper Shine Highlight Kit. This is their first launch. It came in the mail and I wanted to try it out. So it's basically like a highlight kit and there's different shades. I picked the shade Light Pink, which looks so pretty. Look at this. And then there's like this gloss, Hyper Shine Serum it's called, which I guess you can use this by itself, but the magic really happens when you mix them together and apply it with this brush. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna try it out. I don't know, I don't know how much of this to use, but look how cool. All right, I'm gonna just drop like a little bit in there. Oh, okay, we'll start with that much. I don't really know how much to use. And then you take the brush and kind of like swirl that together. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I'm kind of tapping the brush off on my hand just so that there's not too much on the brush. And then I'm gonna just pat that onto the high points of the face. Oh, wow. That is so gorgeous. At first, I actually thought that maybe a more glossy glass skin highlight might compete with the lip look, but actually I love the combo. Look at that. Oh, that's stunning. I'm just kind of applying it around the eyebrows a bit. I'm taking my finger and just popping a little bit of that right between my eyes, right here on the bridge of my nose. Oh my gosh, that made my skin look so healthy. I love that. I'm gonna take a little bit more of what's left on the back of my hand and kind of pounce a little bit. I guess I could use a brush because I haven't used brow gel yet. Just put a little under the brows. That's cute. Oh, I like that so much. Oh, I'm excited to see how that wears. So fun. Okay, I want just a smidge of color, like pink color, added to the eyes, just to like match the lips a bit. So I'm taking the Too Faced blush, just putting a tiny bit of that in like the crease, just a little bit. All right, lastly, we're gonna add a little bit of brow gel. This is the Sephora collection brow gel, just their clear one. Well, there we go. I love this look. I think it's so pretty, perfect for fall. Still feels like every day, but obviously amped up. You could also wear this for evening, honestly, just depending on your vibe. You know what this calls for? Hold on. I haven't worn this in so long because it's like a very seasonal fragrance. The Replica by the Fireplace. That is what this look smells like to me. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's been so long since I've worn this. It's my favorite fall fragrance. Ooh. I hope you guys enjoyed this fall-inspired look. If you recreate it, be sure to tag me. I love you all so much. Thank you again for making the launch of Ravie Beauty so special to me. I'll never forget it. Like, truly, your kindness and your support is out of this world, and I'm just so thankful. Again, it's just the beginning for Ravie. I'm so excited for the future. I'm so happy that you guys are here with me and here at the beginning of this journey. I can't wait to see where this takes all of us. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't checked out Ravie Beauty yet, I'll have it linked down below. I hope you guys have an amazing day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye!